Jax has been telling me all about something. What are you telling? What are you telling Mommy about? What were you saying? Oh yeah? Uh-huh. What else? Are you being a big boy today? Are you 1? Is it your birthday and you were 1? Oh, okay. What else? Yeah? Did we go to the park and eat some dirt today?
Mom, cat's home.
Okay. Did we go to the park and eat some dirt? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Guess not, huh? Okay, bye-bye.